Hi everybody, my name is Rachel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be testing, reviewing, and demonstrating the Light and Easy Steam Mop Steamer. And yes, I said a steam mop steamer because it is not only a steam mop, but it is also a steamer, which makes it doubly awesome. I have had and been using now the steamer for a little over a month, and let me tell you, it has been awesome. It has made a household chore that I have always absolutely dreaded doing now into something that is simple, easy, and pretty much effortless to do. But don't just take my word for it. Let me show you how it's done.
First, start off by talking about what the steamer does come with. It does come with a steamer mop pad. It also has the option of purchasing extras as well. But as you can see, there is a size difference. It also comes with a long reach hose and also two attachments. It comes with this one and also this one right here. They're easy to attach and detach, and also as you see here, it comes with this pad for this attachment right here, which does also have the options of buying extras. To remove the steamer, to use the actual steamer, you just remove it from the mop and attach the hose, and this way you can go ahead and then attach the attachment. But we will show you that later. For now, we're going to go ahead and just start with the mopping. So for the mopping, you can use just water, you can use distilled water or purified water. I like to use here some essential oils. I use the Thieves Young Living. I also like to use this more affordable brand called Thief, which is on Amazon, and I will link it down below. After adding 3 drops of water, I am then ready to fill up my steamer. It does also help to put the steamer back a little bit to make sure you can get all the water in. Once the water is in, then you put on the cap, and then we are ready to put on our pads. I'm going to show you here first, starting off with the mop pad that it does come with, so you can see the difference in size. This one right here is the Fiva, I believe it's called. I will link it down below. It's that replacement, and as you see, it is not fully fitting. So we're just going to go ahead and put back on the mop pad that it comes with so we can go ahead and steam. Once you go ahead and plug in the steamer, the lights will start to blink, and it is ready for you to go ahead and pick a setting, whether if you want low, medium, or high. I like to use high. This way I can ensure that I'm getting a really good clean steam, and the steam goes up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is very hot. It is great for removing stains and sticky messes, while it also dries very quickly. If you want to stop, all you have to do is put it back up to the standing upright position, and it'll hold the steam for a bit until you're ready to use again. If you want to check to see how much water you have in the back, you just go ahead and turn it around and check the water level, and you can see it very clearly. Then when you're ready to use it again, just go ahead and tilt the steamer back in the position of steaming and go ahead and press the setting that you choose. I do want to mention, if I have forgotten, that you want to make sure that your floor is fully vacuumed nice and clean before you do start to mop. I'd like to point out that it has really great swivel motion and range. It is great for getting in any nooks and crannies that you might need to get into, hard to reach places, even underneath any tables or furniture. It is absolutely great. I then return it to its standing upright position, so we can go ahead and take a look here at the bottom at the mop pad. This is just from a small portion of my floor. As you can see, it does an excellent job at pulling out everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you on how to do our wall. I'm going to give you a demonstration with this attachment. We're going to do my door here, and I'm going to choose here the high level, which I usually always choose. And as you can see, the steam here, it comes out very nice. The sound, just the visual of it is just so satisfying. It is great for all surfaces such as marble, tile, grout, ceramic, stone, vinyl, laminate, sealed wood flooring, and as you can see, walls and doors. It's great for everything. And then once again, I'm showing you the water level. This is how much water has already been used from what we have done. And then I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Then if you want to go ahead and start mopping again, just go ahead and put the mop back. If you are not finished with your job and still want to do more, no worries. You can go ahead and just fill up more water and get the rest of your job done.
Now that you have seen how it works, let's talk about the pros and cons. We always start with the cons, and I don't really have any, but I have to give you one. And I feel kind of bad talking about my steamer because it has been so good to me, but I gotta give you guys something. Sometimes when you're using it and you're mopping and you kind of lift it up a little bit or maybe a little bit to the side, it'll take it back to the default type setting to where it starts blinking and wants you to pick a setting again. So when that does happen, all you do is just put it back to the standing position, so this way it can kind of reset it, and then put it back to the position where you would be mopping, so this way you can choose again which setting that you want to use. It is also a safety feature though, because if you're wanting to put a halt on the steaming for a second, like if you have a phone call or something or need to tend to the kids, you can stand it back up. It'll stop the steam, and this way it'll wait for you for when you are ready to go back and steam again. So that's that. Now for the pros, and I have many, as you know. I absolutely love this steamer. It works so great. It does everything that I needed to do. It has made a household chore that I have dreaded for like ever to do, and it made it so easy and effortless, and that alone makes me really excited about this tool. It is honestly my favorite mom toy besides this guy over here, this Epson printer. It is just something that has made my life so much easier that I feel everybody should have one. I have shown my mom, I've done her floors for her, and she absolutely loves it, and now she wants to get one too. It's just something that I recommend for everybody, for those who have pets, children that are on the floor crawling, those of you who love yoga and are on the floor as well, people who have dance studios. I mean, it is on and on for the uses that you can use for this. It is great for all floor types, whether if you have hardwood floor, tile, laminate, use it for your grout. I mean, just so many things that you can use it for. The possibilities are just endless. I mean, you can even steam your clothes. Just like all the items that I show you, I will link it down in the description down below. To get to the description, all you do is have to just tap on the title of this video and it'll drop down the description so you can see all the links. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, it would really help me out if you gave this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe down below, leave a comment, and share with a friend. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye.